Hello everybody, welcome to another episode. In this video, we're gonna make some t-shirts using heat transfer vinyl. And the materials we're gonna use for this project, the vinyl cutter will be the Graphtec CE6060, the vinyl, the Caesar Easy Weed, our heat press, the Hotronic 16x20. Of course, you also need a computer, a software to vector your images. The type of t-shirts, this is the brand that we're gonna use for this one in particular. This is the place where we get our shirts from. It is alldayshirts.com. If you want to support our channel, just follow the link in the description, or you can also find it in the first comment. If you want to find exactly the same brand and type of shirt that we're going to use in this video, just type in G800. The next step will be to align the vinyl. The software that we used to create the design was CorelDRAW X6, and these are the measurements for the whole thing. Width is going to be 11.2, height 11.5. The next thing will be to send it to the vinyl cutter, and we're going to be using the Cutting Master 3. This one comes totally free with the vinyl cutter. I'm going to make a few copies, probably 5 of them, and this is the reason why I aligned the vinyl. And now the settings are going to be over here: offset 0, speed 38, acceleration 1, cut force has to be probably 16 or 17. I'm gonna leave it at 16. If we need to increase it, we'll just do it afterwards. But now we can go ahead and send it. Now let's go and pay attention. Keep an eye on the vinyl cutter just in case something goes wrong, which rarely happens with this vinyl cutter. Unless we were using the Cameo, that would be a whole different story. As you guys can see here on the left, this is the small logo that goes on the front, and it's a lot smaller. Obviously, I made a lot of changes. There's no image, just basic letters and the name of the business. And the width is 4 by 1.5 tall. So always keep that in mind if you are using HTV to make your designs. I also strongly recommend that you guys get rid of the images and stuff like that. Most of the time, the customers will be okay with that. Before we keep on with the video, I want to make a quick stop and show you what we have going on here. As you guys already know, we are always looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your home. And we have another machine that we just bought. This one will cost you a few $100s, but you can find other cheaper ones, cheaper versions of this machine. Will give you more information. Luis is the one that's actually working on this. He's learning how to make other products, and we're gonna bring you more different ideas how to make money from the comfort of your home. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those upcoming videos. We're gonna start weeding this out, and I added those weed boxes to make this process a lot easier. We'll see. That's weeding out really easy. This is one of the advantages of using this transfer vinyl of the HTV, the Caesar Easy Weed. Now I'm gonna do the top section. This is gonna be a little bit more of a challenge since we have all the details up in this image, and we got some like the grass and everything. It's winning out really nice. This is how the design looks after you weed it out. We gotta do this 12 times, which it's gonna be okay. It's doable. So I guess we'll be right back in a few minutes. The first thing I need to do, I need to press it for a few seconds and then apply the logo. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the back. Now I'm gonna turn it and do the same thing. And someone asked, how come we're not using anything to cover the logo? And the reason is because we have the cover for the heat press. As you guys can see, this one here, the Teflon cover. That's all you need. I mean, you could use an extra one, especially if you're using the screen printed transfers. I think it's safer to use another paper. I forgot, the craft paper, I think that's what they're called. I mean, there's so many different, Teflon sheet, yeah, all kinds of different covers that you can use, but we're good with this one. So I'm gonna press it for a few seconds, or did I already press it? I think I did.
Just good, just in case.
Now what I need to do, I'm going to try to center it, and from here, the back, I'm gonna do about 4 inches to this section here, which I need to lower it a little bit. It's like 3.5. I'm going to press this a little bit with just using my hand, and then I'm gonna lift the t-shirt and just get an idea if the logo looks aligned, and it looks good to go. Now I'm gonna press it the 14 seconds. I'm gonna do a hot peel. I'm gonna remove it slowly, and then I'm going to press it for a few seconds, just in case, just like 3-4 seconds, and that's it. And then we're gonna repeat this several times, so we'll be right back again. One of the reasons why I love working on simple one color designs like the one we worked on today, actually 2 different reasons. That is, of course, if you're gonna be using heat transfer vinyl. The first reason is because they are more affordable, since you don't have to use that much material, and you will also save time instead of weeding out and applying more than one layer of vinyl. So that drives the prices down, and you can always offer better deals to your customers. And the second reason, because the t-shirts will last a long time. I mean, you can always use more than one color of vinyl, but as long as you do not layer vinyl over vinyl, the t-shirt will last a long time. I want you guys to look at these shirts. I made them exactly the same day. I've had them for over 3 years. Let's get up close and show you the logos. They look completely different. This one is almost gone. You can barely see the tag, or actually you can't even see it at all. And on this one, you can still see part of it. I'm sure you guys know the difference. This one, I really like the color. This one is not my favorite. That's why I only wear it probably once a month. But I'm really happy with the way the logo looks, even after they've been washed, dried so many times. I'm even happy with this one too, like the way it turned out after so many years. So if you want your logos to last a long time, you should consider doing it this way, just one color. Avoid layering it if you can. But if you would like to know what we do with designs that have more than 2 colors or actual images, we have videos where we talk about DTF transfers, which is one solution that we have to designs like that. I'm gonna leave it at the end screen of this episode. So remember, if you like this episode, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember that if you would like to support our channel, we have memberships available. Just go to the join button to see all the options available. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys until the next one.